Hello students, in my today's video I am going to explain you about the exercises of lesson 3 noun numbers exercise C and D. In my previous video I have explained you exercise B. Now come to the exercise C. This is exercise C. Convert the following sentences into singular form. All these sentences will be in plural and you have to convert all the sentences into singular form. The butcher sharpened their knives and chisels. The butcher sharpened his knife and chisel. In place of knives and chisels, you have to write knife and chisel as singular form. And in place of their, you have to write his. Come to the next sentence. Joseph has a farm where geese, oxen, cows, buffaloes and hens can be seen. In this sentence, geese, oxen, cows, all the animals are in plural form. You have to write it in all the animals in singular form. Joseph has a farm where goose, ox, cow, buffalo and hen can be seen. Number 3. The thieves ran away with things like rubies and mobile phones without attracting their attention. In place of plural, you have to write singular. The thieves will be thief, Thief, phone without attracting any attention. Number 4, countries are proud of their heroes and soldiers. Country is proud of its hero and soldier. Meena keeps her important things like prizes, keys, diaries and books on the shelves. Meena keeps her important things like prize, key, diary and book on the shelf. Number 6, the beaches of England are famous for the tourists that put up their tents there and spend nights in them during Christmas festivals. The beach of England is famous for the tourists that put up their tent there and spend night in them during Christmas festival. Now come to the next sentence. Number 7. The fridge has fruits like oranges, peaches, mangoes and papayas. The fridge has fruit like orange, peach, mango and papaya. Number 8. Mrs. Mannon's dressing table is full of perfumes, lipsticks, shampoos and powders. Now the sentence will be Mrs. Mannon's dressing table is full of perfume, lipstick, shampoo and powder. In this way, we have completed exercise C. Now come to the exercise D. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with one of the two words given in the brackets. You have given two words and you have to choose any one correct word which suits the sentence. Now, this is the collective noun sentences. Collective nouns is a noun which describes a group of things or people. Now, if the members of a group act together as a unit or a whole, we use a singular verb. Clear? When all the members of the group act together as one unit, as one. Okay? Then, which verb is used? Singular verb is used. Clear? One thing more, always, we use always plural verbs with police and people. Two words are there in which we always used plural verbs. Is it clear? Now, come to the exercise. The crowd were waiting for the king. Here, crowd is one unit. So, we use singular verb was. Number 2, this flock of birds are always seen in the sky. Here is singular verb is used. The family has left for the station. Here singular verb has is used. The mathematics is very bad. Some words like mathematics, furniture is always come with singular verb. Clear? There is a class of students here. Singular verb. Her hair always, hair is always with singular verb. Her hair is brown. The members of the committee is fighting among themselves. Member of committee is a group, so singular verb is used. A large number of people were waiting for the prime minister. Here, as I have told you, कि people और पुलिस के साथ हमेशा plural verb use होता है. So you should write here were. The room is full of furniture. Furniture is always used as singular. Last sentence, he gave her 300 rupees. Here 300, hundreds, if adding suffix of s means countless number of things are being talked about, but we are not talking about countless, we are talking about only 300, so we should use here only 100, not hundreds. Clear? If we add hundreds, it means countless, but in this sentence here only 300, so we should write here 100. Thank you students for this video. In this way I have completed lesson 3 of language, the noun. I have finished this lesson, noun number. In my next video we will study our course book. Okay, thank you students for this.